Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we've got our July Allure box, so let's get into it. Check it out. Allure is a beauty box. If you buy it month over month, it is a $23 box. You can bring that down by extending it out. We generally get about 6 products. They say we'll have 3 full-size products and a value of $100 or more. That is what it looks like on the inside. I have told you guys I have for years ordered mine through Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate now, so when you see the link for the Allure down below, it's going to take you to the Amazon choice. I will also put the one that will take you directly to the Allure Beauty Box if you want. The reason I started doing Amazon was because that always shipped before the regular Allure box shipped. An upside to having it now is you can see it before it ships if you can work out the date. I haven't done that. Not that I haven't been able to, it's that I haven't taken the time to work out what those dates are now. I'm going to try and remember this month. I don't think it ships until the 5th or the 6th, and I think as of the 1st we can see what's in it. So if you didn't want it, in theory, you could cancel it for that month. All right, let's dig right in and see what we got this month. Right on top, we have some Mighty Patches. Micro Point for dark spots. So visibly brightened post blemish marks. That is what that looks like. And the paperwork says perfect for anyone dealing with sunspots. I thought it was for acne spots. Vitamin C and tranexamic acid are 2 of the best ingredients you'll find for brightening hyperpigmentation like sunspots. There's solid science backing them up, and it's why they're dermatologist favorites. Both of these powerhouse brighteners are in Heroes patches, which are the perfect size for targeting dark spots that have a way of creeping up during the summer. It says you'll use it before you go to bed at night, and then you can take it off in the morning. $12.99 for 6 patches. Wow. That's our first product. So in theory, that's probably our full-size product. Next out. Oh, this one is a dark one. I always get these colors when we get Ofra. It's a really, really dark rust canyon. I wish I would remember the names of them because this is the color that I always seem to get. Oh, it must be what everybody got because it's in my book. Ofra Liquid Lipstick in Canyon. This velvety terracotta red is gorgeous and easy to wear in more ways than one. It's got staying power that lasts throughout an order of fries without requiring touch-ups throughout the afternoon. And the muted shade has a casual chic vibe that's a great laid-back alternative to the usual reds and pinks. It has a $20 value. I don't think on me that's going to be real muted. I'm sure that there are skin tones that will, but for me this is not going to be a muted shade. All right. Next out, we have the La Roche-Posay Lipicar Wash AP Gentle Foaming Moisture Wash. Dry to extra dry skin. Well, that sounds kind of good. I'll have to read about that and see if it's something that I can use. But I definitely, especially in the winter, have dry to extra dry skin. This says, some cleansers take more than they give, but not this one. The fragrance-free milky gel removes all traces of makeup, leaving skin softer than it was pre-wash. The second ingredient in the formula is glycerin, a humectant that pulls water from the air to keep skin hydrated for hours. It also includes niacinamide to rebuild the skin's lipid layer and shea butter to soften. It is $14.99 for 13.52 ounces, and we have half an ounce. Oof. About $1 worth. Just $1 and like maybe $1.10. That's really close. All right, next out, we have a PCA Skin Rebalance Daily Moisturizer for all skin types. Betcha. That is what it looks like. And our paperwork says, after a day in the sun or a hot morning, this extra light moisturizer is as refreshing as a cool iced latte, only better because it's fortified with soothing antioxidants, niacinamide, and vitamin E to coddle and protect the skin all summer long. It has a $53 value. Let's check out the inside. That is what it looks like. So 1.7 ounces. I'm okay with the ingredients, so let's check this out. I could use a lighter moisturizer. I am feeling like this summer, I am almost having some oily skin. I can't even tell you when last I had oily skin. Check the top out. It looks just like a nice light lotion. I took too much to do my whole hands. It's nice. It's a nice hand lotion. A little expensive for a hand lotion, but still good. Very little scent. A light, very light lotion-y scent. And they are right. It is, I mean, it has absorbed. The back of my hands feel fantastic, and it has completely absorbed. Wow. I think I would like this for summer. I hope that my face likes it. You know, it likes to have hissy fits when I try new lotions. Okay, next out, I have a Native Spa Embrace Yourself, and it is a starter kit. I'm not sure what we're starting yet. That is what it looks like. Let's find it in the book. Native Spa Starter Kit. Why you'll love it. Each one of these 4 rich body creams leaves your skin feeling smooth, moisturized, and soft with glorious scents like vanilla or rose that will make you want to sniff your arm again and again. The retail price is $12 for a set of 4 tubes, and you can get it at Shop Native Spa. With Allure 20, by the way, until the end of August, you will get 20% off full price items. All right, let's see what a couple of these smell like. I don't hate the idea of having some smaller body creams because for travel, my body creams are all huge, and these would be perfect. They are 1 fluid ounces, and this is the Native Spa Shea. So that's the Shea. And then this one is Quinoa. And this one is Madagascar Vanilla. And this one is, actually, it's Rosé, not Rose. I'm going to assume because of the over the E. All right, let's start with, are they all sealed? Yeah. We'll start with, ooh, just for the record, I was just getting ready to put this on the back of my hand. That face moisturizer left my hand almost with a sheen. I don't know if you guys can tell. All right. It's just a nice thick cream. We'll stay on the inside of my hand so we can use another part. Ooh, it's very nice. Rosé, not rose. Although kind of rosy. Kind of rosy. It smells really good. I like it a lot. Wow, I might have found a new lotion I love. Boy, I hope I can use this. We're just gonna press on. I'll pay the price later if I'm wrong. Let's do the vanilla next. Just a skosh. Oh, very, very light. Almost like there's some mint in there too. I like that a lot. I would argue, I wouldn't argue because that's not me. I would debate that even if you don't love vanilla, you would like this. It's really, it's vanilla, but I don't know what Madagascar does to it, but it's very light. It's, I don't know, I can't explain it. It's lovely. I was hoping it would tell me more about the ingredients, and it does not. It says it's with African vanilla. I don't know what that means, but it smells much less sweet than most vanillas. You don't feel like, you know, sometimes you put a vanilla on and you feel like a teenager or like you're walking through Bath and Body Works. It's just a true, really vanilla scent. This doesn't leave you feeling like that. Now we have the Shea. Let's see if it has just a nice Shea. It's a little thicker. I like a Shea scent. Body Works. Body Works. I want to talk myself out of that, but it's right? Always did a Shea that I liked. Oh yeah, that's just nice, clean, a nice light shea butter. Oh, wow. I am fully loving these. Actually, it says embrace yourself. It's what's in front of me. I am fully embracing these scents. This one I happen to squeeze a little too much. We got a lot of that one. So, I don't know. There you go. I got way too much out of that one. This one is the Quinoa. This one is firming. Are they different? Oh, they're different. This one is firming. The Shea was extra moisturizing. The Rosé was replenishing. And the Madagascar Vanilla was soothing. I agree. That was gorgeous. This one has very little scent. Just kind of a clean, I don't want to say earthy because sometimes earthy puts people off, but it's just a very clean, buttery, earthy, but not, don't think dirt or even green. I can't get you there with this one. It's lovely. They are all quite lovely. If my body likes these as much as I am enjoying the scents, you will be seeing these coming in a haul because these are gorgeous. It's $12, so they're $3 each for this set of 4 tubes. And if you use Allure 20 at checkout, you'll get 20% off full price items excluding the starter kit. Okay, last but not least, we have a Mani Me stick-on gels. Oh, they look like a little French. That is so cute. I will be doing this. I will show you guys when I do. So that's super cute. And the paperwork says Mani Me's nail Snickers. Snickers. Not hungry. All right, take 2. Mani Me's nail stickers are unique in that they're made from real gel polish. So they look just like a professional manicure, last up to 10 days without chipping, and they don't lift or bubble in the shower or snag on your hair like some other nail stickers. And this beachy pink ombre design is effortlessly cool. And they have a $15 value. It's not a Snickers though. So that is our Allure box for July. I have to tell you, I like it. In our box, we received these 4 lotions. It's the Embrace Me, and we received the quinoa and the shea and the rosé and the Madagascar vanilla, and they smell fantastic. I love the scent of those. We got these cute mani-me's, the Ofra in this rustish brown color that I don't think is quite for me, the Mighty Patches for lightening dark spots, the La Roche-Posay little cleanser, I'm anxious to try that, and this Rebalance Daily Moisturizer that's really just like a really light moisturizer. I have to tell you, is that true? Other than the Mighty Patch, which I think with the vitamin C I probably won't use because it would just make me a big red spot, and this, I think I'll pass this along. I'll be trying everything else, and I'm not exaggerating when I say I love the scents of this Nativa Spa, and if they work as well on my body, you know, if they're not sticky, if they absorb nicely, if they're not sticky, but if I like them as well as they smell, I'll be having more of those. All right, let me know what you guys think. $23 box. It is now less expensive than the Ipsy Pluses and the Boxies that we were comparing it to. They're all getting more and more expensive, and this one's staying in there. Not as many full size. I guess our full sizes were our PCA Skin, our Mani-Me is full size. The Hero Patches are technically full size. That's probably a full size starter kit, but you know what I mean. We don't have huge palettes and that kind of thing. But I still think well worth $23. Let me know what you think. We'll talk soon. I'll put the link below. I'll put both of them. The one if you want to just go over to the Allure Beauty Box, and the one if you want to do it through Amazon. Thanks so much for coming by. Please give us a thumbs up. And if you don't subscribe, I hope you will consider. And I will see you again really soon. Have a great day, guys.